Are you stuck in a login loop because that PlayStation verification email simply won't show up? Don't let a missing code keep you away from your gaming session, because I am going to show you how to force that email through right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we are breaking down the 10 best advanced solutions to fix PS5 email verification and missing code issues. Verification trouble usually happens because of aggressive spam filters, server-side delays, or a simple typo in your account details. It is a security wall that is supposed to protect you, but sometimes it just gets in the way of your fun. Step 1. Check your spam and junk folders. It sounds simple, but email providers often flag automated messages from Sony as marketing or junk. Be sure to check the promotions or social tabs if you use Gmail. Step 2. Wait at least 10 minutes. Sometimes the PlayStation Network servers are congested. Sending multiple requests quickly can actually flag your account for suspicious activity and delay the email even further. Step 3. Double-check your email spelling. On the PS5 login screen, verify that there isn't a tiny typo in your address. Even a misplaced dot or a missed letter will send your code into the void. Step 4. Add PlayStation to your safe senders list. Log into your email on a computer and add sony@playstation.com to your contacts. This tells your email provider that these messages are safe and should be delivered immediately. Step 5. Use the PlayStation app. Try triggering the verification from the official app on your phone instead of the console. Sometimes the mobile handshake is faster and bypasses the console's internal queue. Step 6. Change your DNS settings. A slow connection can cause the verification request to time out. Set your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4 to ensure a faster path to the servers. Step 7. Request a password reset instead. If the standard verification email isn't coming, try the Forgot Your Password link. This often uses a different server route and might land in your inbox when the other one won't. Step 8. Check the PSN status page. Use your phone to see if the account management servers are currently undergoing maintenance. If the lights are red on Sony's end, no amount of clicking will bring that code. Step 9. Try a different network. If your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is acting up, switch to a mobile hotspot. A fresh IP address can sometimes trigger a stuck verification request that was blocked by your home router's firewall. Step 10. Contact Sony support via live chat. If you have tried everything and still have no code, use the online assistant. Have your console serial number ready so they can manually verify your identity and push the update through. Here is a bonus pro tip. Once you finally get in, immediately enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app instead of email. This generates codes locally on your phone so you never have to wait for an email again. If you face any difficulty or that code still hasn't arrived after an hour, please comment below. I am staying active in the thread, and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this guide helped you reclaim your account, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your library is waiting, and I will see you in the next one. Your library is waiting, and I will see you in the next one.